डायरेक्शन एंड लोकेशन इज अ नेक्स्ट डोमेन. ओके, डायरेक्शन या लोकेशन पूछने के लिए आप कितने तरीके से पूछ सकते हो. फाइन. सो द फर्स्ट कमिंग अप इज, can you tell me how to get dash? So can you tell me how to get to the nearest substation? Okay, can you tell me, ये हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं, डायरेक्शन पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं कैसे जाऊं, शॉर्टकट क्या होगा. ओके, कैन यू टेल मी हाउ टू गेट टू द नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन, नियरेस्ट मॉल, शॉपिंग मॉल. फाइन, कैन यू टेल मी, बता सकते हो आप मुझे, समथिंग लाइक दैट. There is dash located. Okay. There is the nearest post office located is an example. Though nobody goes to post office now, आप यूज करते हो पोस्ट ऑफिस? बताइए तो चैट में जरा. अभी भी कौन कौन यूज करता है पोस्ट ऑफिस? कोई जाता है लेटर पोस्टिंग के लिए? मैम मुझे बोलना टू ट्रांसलेट. ओके, कोई जाता है? नो, नो नहीं, नो नहीं, कौन जाए? पोस्टमैन इज नो मोर अवेलेबल. ओके, चलिए लेट्स मूव ऑन. Uh, okay, so where is dash located? You can also say, where is Ahmedabad located? It's in Gujarat, right? Where is Gujarat located? Obviously, it's in India. Where is India? India is in Asia. Okay, so something like that. This is one question. Where indicates place. Okay. Uh, can you direct me to the conference room? Now, conference room is in the same building, same office. तो उसका भी डायरेक्शन आप पूछ सकते हो. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से, कैन यू डायरेक्ट मी टू द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफिस? कैन यू डायरेक्ट मी टू द MD कैबिन? ओके, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से अ फार अवे प्लेस. कैन यू डायरेक्ट मी, जब दूर की प्लेस हो ना, व्हेन यू गोइंग लिटिल फार, यू वांट टू नो अ प्लेस विच इज फार, तो यू से हाउ कैन यू टेल मी हाउ टू गेट देयर? मैं वहां कैसे पहुंच सकता हूँ और पहुंच सकती हूँ. ठीक है. So direct me can be a little bit closer place. Okay. So these are variations. Direction and location पूछने का. Okay. What's the best way to reach? Now best way मतलब shortcut की पूछ रहे हो आप. Okay. When you want to take a shortcut, रास्ता आपको पता है, but you want to get the best way. Okay. So what's the best way to reach airport from here? Okay. So these are variations when it comes to direction and locations. इस तरह से आप इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हो. ठीक है. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. आपको कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी हो तो क्या पूछ सकते हो? सो यू कैन आस्क, कुड आई हैव कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर HR डिपार्टमेंट? यहाँ पे HR डिपार्टमेंट का एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, नाउ फॉर डिपार्टमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं. ऑफ प्रिंसिपल वुड बी अ पर्सन. ओके, कैन आई हैव कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ the teacher? Fine, or the sir, whatever. Can you give me the phone number dash? Can you give me the phone number for the customer service team? Again, we are talking for team, customer service department, or maybe military department or the police department. So again, can you give me? Okay. Then you have, what's the newest way to get in touch with Mr. Dr. Smith or anybody? Now, what's the newest way? मतलब किससे? Like by phone or by email? Okay, or by any media like social media channels? What is the recent way? Suppose उस person ने अपना phone number change करा है, email ID पर respond नहीं कर रहा है. Fine. So you can say all these things. Okay, this particular statement. What's the newest way to get in touch with whosoever you want to talk to? ठीक है, any person. Then you have, do you know the email address of, देखो person आया तो off आ गया. You are seeing this. Do you know the email address of uh, marketing team? Okay, or you can say of Mr. Rohit or Miss Mona, whatever. किसी person का email address, phone number भी ऐसे आप मांग सकते हो. Fine. Now we are talking about date and time. What time does maybe event or the shop close or open? What time does the museum open on the weekends. Okay, so this is one example. Straight away you asking time. What time does blah blah blah, add on your statement, right? When is dash scheduled to take place? Okay, now we are talking of event. When is the company's annual meeting? For me, if I talk of, I'm in Gujarat, I'm in Ahmedabad, I can say, when is the Garba coming up? Because Navratri will be coming here soon. So we all will enjoy that. Are you people aware of the Garba? How many of you like Garba? Chat box पे लिखिए. Are you aware of? Yes. And do you like to dance? Do you like to perform Garba? Yes. Anuradha says yes. Okay. Why? No. Why is yes? Okay. No. Priti doesn't like. Okay. Love. Okay. Rutuja likes. Shruti likes. Likes. Nice. I like Garba. Okay. So, like performance, right? Neha does not like. She says no. Dance, yes. Pretty likes. Okay. So it's like that, particular event scheduled. When is the event scheduled? Whatever the event is. Okay. So you're asking about again time. What time? When is? Variation of देखो. Use the way you want to. ये variations मैं आपको दे रही हूँ. Could you please tell me the date? Now you're asking for date. पहले के दो में आपने टाइम पूछा, यहाँ पे आप पूछ रहे हो डेट. Could you tell me the date for the event? Okay. Next, team building activity. Could you tell me the date of our certification? आपको certification कब मिलने वाला है? Fine. So this is about date. And the next question, how long will dash event or a process take? How long will the application review process take? Okay. So again, now you're asking duration. कितना वक्त लगेगा? You're asking about the duration. Okay. How long will the visa application process take? When will I get my visa decision? My student visa or visitor visa, जो भी आप visa apply करते हो. You're right? You're understanding? So एक tenure, when you're talking of tenure, so you say how long. Okay.